How to buy Pi token on Mexc. Now first of all, open the Mexc app, make sure to log into your account. Now after that, what you need to do, so if you want to access it from here in the search, you can tap on it, and here you can search for the Pi token. Now as you can see, you can type Pi. So after that, select this pair Pi to USDT. Now tap on it. So after you tap on it, as you can see, you will be able to see this page. So if you want to access it in another way, you can go back to your home page and tap on trade, as you can see here. Now you'll be able to see this pair. Now tap on it, and here you can search for your token. In this case it will be Pi. So as you can see, you'll be able to find this pair. Now tap on it, Pi to USDT. So as you can see, you'll be able to see this page. Select the buy option. Now here in the limit, you can tap limit or the market. If you select the limit, you can set the quantity that you want to buy here, and you will be able to see here how much you will be pay of the USDT on your account to be able to buy this token, and tap on buy Pi. So if you set the market, as you can see, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token, and tap on buy Pi. So this is how to buy Pi token with Mexc. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.